Hello Praveen, good evening. Welcome to the session. We'll be starting our session. So, hello everyone, welcome to Unacademy's JEE Prep English channel. This is exclusively for the non-Hindi speaking students. In today's session, I'll be taking the previous year question sessions for the chapter Complex Numbers for class 11th. So, let me start with a brief introduction about myself. I'm Alaka. I'm your mathematics educator in Unacademy. I've completed my master's from Manipal Institute of Technology. I have more than 5 years of teaching experience, and if you want to reach out to me, you can either use my Instagram handle or my Telegram handle. Also, you can follow my profile in Unacademy so that you'll be getting updates regarding my classes. Also, you can use the code Alaka Live for your subscription purpose to avail a 10% discount. All these details have been given in your description box. And also few announcements has to be made. Our Unacademy Prodigy exam, which is conducted on 23rd of January, 10 a.m. onwards. So there will be separate exams for the classes from 7th to 12th, especially for the engineering and the medical aspirants. There will be separate exams. You can enroll for free using the code ALAKA10. Okay. And on the exams which is conducted on 29th of January and 13th of February, you will be getting exciting rewards from rank 1 to 100, and scholarship slabs will be from rank 1 to 500. So do not miss out this chance. I want all of you to write your Unacademy Protege exam. And All India Mock Test Series for our JEE 2022, which is of JEE Mains ka pattern, including all our subjects, that is physics, chemistry and maths. It is happening every Sunday from 2 to 5 p.m. That is, the next exam will be conducted on 16th of January. Even this exam is totally free for all the students. You can enroll using the code Alaka 10. And also a really good offer is going on for JEE Plus subscription. That is, for 24 month subscription, you are getting an extension of 3 months, and with 18 month subscription, you are getting an extension of 2 months. And also your offer is valid from 10th to 12th January. And these are few of our batches which are starting from 12th of January. That is early beginners batch for class 11th, Aram batch for class 11th, and last minute revision batch for class 11th, and also a crash course for the class for JEE Mains 2022 starting from 12th of January. So those who are interested, do join. The details regarding the courses has been given. Hello Megha, welcome to the session. Okay, are you all ready for the first question for today? Question number 1, everybody. Check it out. Question number 1. I'm good, Megha. Happy to know that you are back from your hostel. How was your exams? Midterm exams? If you have any doubt, ask. So the question states that let z is equal to x plus iy be a complex number where x and y are integers. Then the area of rectangles whose vertices are the roots of the equation. The area of rectangles whose vertices are the roots of the equation. That's good, Megha. Happy to know that your results are going to be good. There is no lag in the video nor in voice, I believe. Shall I start explaining the question, or do you need more time? Or do you need help with the question? Explain the question or the solution, Praveen. Hi Kishore, welcome back. Okay, I'll read the question again one more time. So let z equals to x plus iy. That is a complex number. Okay, x and y are integers here. Then the area of the rectangle whose vertices, so vertices of the rectangle are formed by the roots of which equation? Z bar into z cube plus z into z bar cube equals to 350. So we should start from where? This part. Z in z bar into z cube plus z into z bar cube is equal to 350. Okay, so here if I am taking z into z bar common outside, okay, z into z bar I am taking common outside. So if you want, I can put the z in this manner so that you will not confuse. This is my z. Okay, what will be inside the bracket? Z bar square plus z square, which is equal to 350. Okay, now if I am substituting, okay, if I am substituting, z is equal to x plus iy, x plus iy, then in that case what will your equation will become? It will become x square plus y square into x square minus y square is equal to 175 upon 2 is there, right? Yes, very good Kishore. Option 1 is the right answer. Okay. Putting z is equal to x plus iy. What will be z bar? X minus iy. Then the product of z into z bar and z bar square plus z square, okay, is equal to 350 will become this. Perfect. Now this can be further solved as x square plus y square multiplied with x square minus y square to be equal to 5 into 5 into 7. 175 is nothing but 5 into 5 into 7. Okay. So from here you can either write x square plus y square to be equal to 25 and x square minus y square equals to 7. Okay. The combinations can be written in this way. Okay. So if I am further solving this, I will be getting my x value to be equal to plus or minus 4 and my y value will be equal to plus or minus 3, because given that x and y both belongs to integers they have told. I will write I so that you will not be confused. Okay, then in that case what will be the area? Area will be equal to 8 into 6, which is equal to 48 unit square or square unit, which is option 1. Option 1. Yes, Megha, what happened? Keep message. Yes, Megha. Actually, in Instagram, I have replied to you back. Okay, I'll check my Telegram also. Sure. So, any doubt in the first question? Anyone? No doubts, I suppose. Chalo. Going on to the second question. Question number 2. Let Z be a complex number such that the imaginary part of Z is non-zero and A is equal to Z square plus Z plus 1 is real. Then A cannot be or cannot take the value. A cannot be taking which among the value? So this is an IIT JEE 2012 question. If you have any doubt regarding the question, do ask. If you are getting the answer, you can send your answer through the comment section. Yes, Kishore, that is the method. Very good. Follow that method and you'll reach the answer. Let me know through the comment section if you have got the answer. Option 4. Very good. So that is the right answer. Let me tell you how to get the answer. We have this equation, right? So this equation can be rewritten as Z square plus Z plus 1 minus A equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation, and clearly this quadratic equation's determinant will be what? Discriminant will be less than 0. Okay, so if discriminant is less than 0, what is the discriminant value? 1 minus 4 times 1 minus A is equal to or is less than 0. Is less than 0. So 4A is less than 3 you will get, in which implies A value should be clearly less than 3 upon 4. So which value A cannot have? That would be 3 upon 4. Okay, option 4. No doubts, I suppose. Moving on to your third question. Try it. So the third question states that let the complex number alpha and 1 upon alpha bar lie on the circles. Okay. These two, alpha lies on the circle x minus x naught whole square plus y minus y naught whole square equal to r square, and 1 upon alpha bar lie on the circle x minus x naught whole square plus y minus y naught whole square equal to 4r square respectively. If z naught equal to x naught plus I y naught satisfies the equation twice of z naught bar square equal to r square plus 2, then modulus or absolute value of alpha is. One upon root 7, I believe, Kishore, you are getting? Or is it 1 upon 7? Which one you are getting? One upon 7 you are getting. It is 1. Actually, have you taken the square root of it? You need absolute value of alpha, not alpha square. So it will become 1 upon root 7. Okay, so here I'll explain. Try to relate where you went wrong. Okay, might be in the last step. So here you have two circles equation, that is x minus x naught whole square plus y minus y naught whole square equal to r square, and x minus x naught whole square plus y minus y naught whole square equal to 4r square. Okay, so from here you will be getting that z minus z naught का mod value is equal to r, and z minus z naught का absolute value will be equal to 2 times r. Okay, so we know that in this case, what we know, where my z naught value is what, x naught plus I y naught. Okay, so we have alpha and 1 upon alpha bar, okay, lies on the circles 1 and 2. Lies on 1 and 2, which is 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, then we have alpha minus z naught का absolute value will be equal to r, and also we will get 1 upon alpha bar minus z naught का absolute value will be equal to 2r. Okay, and also alpha minus z naught, keep it as such. This, if I am simplifying, I will get 1 minus alpha bar z naught का mod value or absolute value will be equal to 2 times r into alpha bar का absolute value. Okay, then we have alpha minus z naught whole square equal to r square, squaring, and squaring this, you will get 1 minus alpha bar z naught. Absolute value ka square is equal to 4r square. Alpha bar is gone, ka whole square. Okay. Now subtracting these two. Okay. That is my third equation and fourth equation. Third equation, fourth equation. So 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3. Equation 4 minus 3 implies 1 minus alpha bar z naught mode value ka square minus alpha minus z naught ka mode whole square minus 4r square mode alpha square minus r square. Okay. Now solving this, you will get 1 plus alpha into z naught ka mode minus the whole square minus alpha bar z naught minus alpha z naught bar minus of mode alpha square plus mode z naught square minus alpha bar z naught minus alpha z naught bar. This will be equal to what? 4r square mode alpha ka square minus r square. Okay. Now this after solving, I'll get 1 plus mode alpha square into mode z0 square minus mode alpha square minus mode z0 square is equal to 4r square into alpha ka mode square minus r square. 1 minus mode alpha square into 1 minus mode z0 square is equal to 4r square into mode alpha square minus r square. Okay. Given that twice of mode z0 square is equal to what? R square plus 2. So we have 1 minus alpha square mode of into 1 minus r square plus 2 upon 2 is equal to upon 2 it will happen. Okay. Is equal to 4r square into mode alpha square minus r square. 1 minus mode alpha ka square will be equal to, after solving this you will get minus r square upon 2 is equal to 4r square into alpha mode square minus r square. Now mode alpha square minus 1 is equal to 8 mode alpha square minus 2. So from here I will get mode alpha square is equal to 1 upon 7, which implies, now you understood, right Kishore? Which implies mode alpha value will be equal to 1 upon root 7, which is option 3. No doubts, I suppose. Any doubt? Anyone? Yes. Moving on to your fourth question, everyone. So this is a multi-correct answer question. Let Z1 and Z2 be two distinct complex numbers and let Z equals to 1 minus T into Z1 plus T times Z2 for some real number t with 0 less than t less than 1 if argument of omega denotes the principal argument of a non-zero complex number omega or w. Forget about omega. Okay, you'll confuse that as the cube root, right? Cube root of unity. So it is w. Then which among the four options are correct? Which among the four options are correct? It's a multi-correct answer question, Kishore. So option 4, as you said, is one among the correct options. There are more options which are correct. So this question is of IIT JEE 2010 ka question. All these are JEE advanced level questions. Yes, one more option is correct, Kishore. You have said that option 3 and option 4 are correct, which is true, but one more option is correct. Check that out. Okay, I'll tell you. Now listen. Given that z value is equal to what? 1 minus t into z1 plus t times z2. Okay? Z is equal to what? 1 minus t into z1 plus t times z2 upon. So the denominator 1 can be written as 1 minus t plus t. So from this, what is that you understand? You understand that z divides, okay, z divides, one second, let me write it neatly. Yes, z divides the line segment, okay, the line segment joining z1 and z2 in the ratio 1 minus t is to t. Okay, internally the z value or z will divide the line segment joining z1 and z2 in the ratio 1 minus t is to t. Okay, so from here internally, okay, so from here you can also get that as your 0 less than t less than 1, that is for sure. Okay, so we can conclude that our z, z1 and z2 are collinear. Okay, and then if it is collinear, obviously our option 4 is correct, that is argument of z minus z1 is equal to argument of z2 minus z1. Okay, that is option 4 is correct. Option 4 being true. Okay, now further if I am solving, so if argument of these two are true means from this I can understand that then z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1 will be equal to what? Z bar minus z1 bar upon z2 bar upon z1 bar, which implies, okay, cross multiplying and taking everything to one side, you will be getting the same thing as the determinant or discriminant thing, that is z minus z1 being the first element, z bar minus z1 bar, then we have z2 minus z1, and then we have finally z2 bar minus z1 bar. This discriminant will be equal to what? 0, which implies what? My option 3 is true. These two you are getting, right, Kishore? So option 3 is also true. Option 3 is also true. Now, the last thing that we are supposed to find out. So, given that these three are collinear, right? So if it is collinear, I'm drawing a straight line. If it is collinear, then I have 3 points, point A, B and the point P. What will be A? Z1. What will be B? Z2. What will be P? Z. Okay, P will be Z value, which implies AP plus PB will be equal to what? AP plus PB will be equal to AB, right? Then AP ka distance will be Z minus Z1 mod value, absolute value of that, plus absolute value of Z minus Z2 to be equal to absolute value of Z1 minus Z2, which is my option 1. Option 1 is also true. So all these three options, option 1, 3 and 4 are correct. Okay? Any doubt? Got it, Kishore? If you have any doubt, ask. Shall we move on to the 5th question? No doubts. Perfect. Question number 5. Let W equals root 3 plus I upon 2 plus P and P is equal to W to the power n, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. Further, H1 is the set of Z belongs to C, that is complex numbers, where all real values of Z is greater than 1 upon 2. And H2 is what? Belongs to the set of Z belongs to complex numbers, where the real value of Z is always less than minus 1 by 2. C is representing all complex number ka set. If Z1 belongs to P intersection H1 and Z2 belongs to P intersection H2 and O represents the origin, then angle Z1 OZ2. Z1 OZ2. This was JEE Advanced 2013 question. Okay, Kishore, no problem. If you have any doubt, ask. This is a multi-correct answer question. We have 1 more minute. After that, I will start solving. Okay, so W, not omega, W. So this is a multi-correct answer as I said. So W is given to be equal to root 3 plus I upon 2. This can be written as, in our exponential form, it will be e to the power I pi by 6. Okay. So if then in that case, tell me what will be omega W to the power n. W to the power n will be equal to e to the power I n pi by 6. Okay, and what is n value? N value is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. till 12 we are going to take. Okay, so then tell me for Z1, okay, for Z1 you have cos n pi by 6. N pi by 6 value should be greater than what? 1 by 2. And what about Z2 value? That is, if for Z2 cos n pi by 6 value should be less than minus 1 by 2. Okay. So, in that case, the possible values of Z1 and Z2 we are supposed to write. Okay, so you can imagine a circle. Okay, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the origin, and these points be A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. This value is x equals to minus 1 by 2 and x equals to positive 1 by 2. Okay, and say each of the angle is width is pi by 6. Okay, so what are the possible values of Z1? The possible values of Z1 will be A1, A2, A3, etc. Possible values of Z2 will be what? B1, B2, B3, etc. as shown in the figure. Okay, so the possible value of angle Z1 O Z2, okay, will be according to the given portions. Okay, according to the given portions will be what? Will be equal to either 2 pi by 6 or 5 pi by 6. You can check for yourself, which is option 3 and 4. So option 3 and 4. Any doubt? So this was the 5th question. I believe there were no doubts. Moving on to your 6th question. Try the 6th question, everyone. This is also a multi-correct answer question. So let A and B belongs to real numbers and A square plus B square is not equal to 0. Suppose S is equal to a set of Z belongs to C such that there is complex number such that Z value is what? 1 upon A plus IBT, where T belongs to real numbers and T not equal to 0. I is equal to root minus 1. If Z is equal to X plus IY and then Z belongs to what? S, the set of S, values of S. Then X comma Y lies in which among the 4 options are correct? This is a multi-correct answer question. If you have any doubt, do ask. Okay. Perfect. Let us discuss this final question and then I'll give you a homework and we'll be winding up this session. Okay. So, the options are 1, 3 and 4. I'll tell you how. We know that the z value is equal to what? 1 plus a plus ibt. Okay. So, x plus iy is equal to what? A minus ibt upon a square plus b square into t square, which implies x value will be equal to a upon a square plus b square into t square, and y value will be equal to minus bt upon a square plus b square into t square. Okay. Now, eliminating t, what do we get? We will be getting x square plus y square is equal to what? X upon a. So, x minus 1 by 2a whole square plus y square is equal to 1 upon 2a whole square you will get. Okay. So, which implies option 1 is correct. Okay. If option 1 is correct, we will be putting say b equal to 0 and a equal to 0. If we are substituting, we will be getting what? Our options 3 and 4 also to be correct. Okay. So, option 1, option 3 and 4. All three options are true. The final question, which is homework for you all. Take a screenshot and try to solve this. We will be discussing the solution of the 7th question in the upcoming class of our session 4 complex numbers. So, for the next class of complex number ka PYQ session, we will be discussing the 7th question and then we will be moving on to more previous year questions. So, the question, 7th question states that let a, b, x and y be real numbers such that a minus b is equal to 1 and y shouldn't be equal to 0. If complex number z equal to x plus iy satisfy imaginary part of az plus b upon z plus 1 is equal to y, then which of the following is or are the possible values of x? This is a multi-correct answer question. I believe all of you must have taken the screenshot. So, the right options are option 1, option 1, and option 4. Option 1 and option 4 are the right options for the 7th question. I believe all of you will do this question and get the same answer. So I've given the answer so that you can cross check whether you have got the same. And if you have got the same, well and good. If not, do not worry. In the next session of our complex number ka PYQ, we will be discussing the solution of the 7th question and then we will be proceeding. Okay. So I'll see you all on Wednesday with the next session of previous year questions ka discussion. So till then, take care and bye-bye.